what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have hundreds of videos up here with Kung Fu training, Kung Fu combinations, weapons training, fitness programs, martial arts techniques, and training styles. So the best way to navigate all of this is to check out the playlist down below. I've organized all of my videos into playlists for specific themes. So if you're looking for flexibility and stretching, check out the stretching playlist. If you're looking to get a taste of some Kung Fu movements, check out the Kung Fu combo playlist. That's 5 to 10 movements from different forms with weapons, animal styles, and a chance for you to explore the martial art itself. If you're looking for specific training with weapons like nunchucks, broadsword, staff, spear, monk spade, kung fu bench, check out those playlists. Now the best way to keep track of all of this is to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notifications every week when I upload 1 to 2 videos, and you can also check out my Patreon channel. I have a link in the banner. That way you can see applications and more in-depth training on a weekly basis. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bam! Fist with a forearm.